This instructional video demonstrates how to create a new booking on My Maersk Line. This is a two-step wizard. You will be required to input information on two screens in order to complete the booking process. You can click on Book New Shipment on the right side of the screen. Or you can move your cursor to the top panel tab marked as Book and select Book New Shipment from the drop-down Commands menu. The first page consists of From and To fields, which are identical to the Place of Receipt and Place of Delivery. If you select either location drop-down, it will show previously used locations. If the location is not listed in the drop-down, you can use the Type Ahead function, which allows you to locate and select a location. Special Conditions is an optional field where you can define your cargo requiring temperature control. Cargo that is considered dangerous, or cargo that is oversized by selecting the appropriate box where required. Next is the Commodity field. By selecting the drop-down, it will provide you with the most recent commodities you've used when booking with Maersk Line. You also have the ability to use the Type Ahead feature to locate a commodity of your choice and select it. The next field is the Quantity field. This allows you to select how many containers you are booking. It defaults to 1 and is limited to 999. The Container Type field allows you to select the container type, size, and height depending on the nature of your cargo. Click on the drop-down menu to select the container type that you need. The Weight field allows you to define the weight per container. Here you will see that the default unit type is the selection you've made on the Settings option of My Maersk Line. If you haven't yet selected your preferred unit of measurement and business focus, you can make that adjustment within My Settings. Next is the Contract field, where you may type your contract number. The contract number will allow My Maersk Line to pull the applicable rates agreed on your contract with Maersk Line. Or you can select the Book on Tariff option if you don't have a service contract with us. You will be required to select one of these two options before moving forward with your booking. Lastly, you can select and update the contractual customer here. Once you have completed these details, click on Continue in order to proceed to Step 2 of the booking process. This will trigger the system to pull up applicable rates and schedules and display them on the next page. This page will show you all of your booking details. You will notice the contact person will default to you, the person making the booking. However, it is possible to select another contact person using the drop-down. This list will show all active contacts linked to your company. Next, the Your Reference field is optional, but it gives you the opportunity to list a PO number, an order number, a business unit, or any other information that would be helpful to you. The Schedule displays the next 3 departures as default. The Show More Schedules option will display the departures for the next several weeks. The View Route Details option displays the transport plan for the selected product. Selecting the View Route Details will open a window with full schedule information. The next field in the booking process is Haulage Details field. The service mode will default to Merchant Haulage or Container Yard to Container Yard. If you would like to change the service mode to Carrier Haulage or Store Door, then you can change it by selecting the appropriate radio button. Store Door service mode requires additional information in order to ensure the shipment is received and discharged on time as per schedule. Container Details displays details already updated on the previous page. The Edit Container Details allows you to edit the information if required. The Parties section allows you to add or specify various parties of the shipment, such as the shipper, service contract holder, consignee, or any other parties that may apply to your shipment. The Additional References field is optional, but allows you to specify a single reference or multiple references. The Additional Comments field is optional and allows you to add information that has not already been captured in a previous field. It is recommended that you limit the use of this space to business-critical information only, as comments here may affect the turn time of your booking. A summary of the booking is displayed in the box on the right of the screen. The summary contains the price overview and information specified earlier in page 1. In this example, we can see that the booking is not covered by a service contract. Therefore, the booking is reflecting tariff rates. It is important to note that the rates will not be displayed if you do not have the proper access. For example, if you are not the contract holder but are booking on behalf of someone else, you will not see those rates. To help you understand what is or is not being shown, the Price Overview section is accompanied with a text box which will provide you with a brief explanation about the rates based on your specific scenario. Also, selecting the Show Price Breakdown will open a window with detailed information on all the applicable charges. The last step is to click on Book Shipment on the right side of the screen. This will prompt you to accept Maersk Line's terms and conditions by clicking on Place Booking. The Booking Received page will appear, which displays your receipt. And from here you may print a receipt containing the booking details. You will notice that all bookings generated using the online booking process start with the digit 9. And that's it. You are now ready to create your own bookings on My Maersk Line.